Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Galang Arya Pratama with Azan N 233400019. So today I will make this video to fulfill my assignment from my lecturer, Mr. Amiruddin Latif. So without further ado, let's get started.
So let's move to the novel question by Galang Arya Pratama. Okay, first, the conclusion of the study, verified before publication to ensure accuracy. So the correct answer is, the correct answer is A. Why? Because the subject of the sentence is a plural. So we should use are instead is or they are or it is. Next is number 2. Marie Curie pioneers research on radioactivity earned her 2 Nobel Prizes. Is an iconic in science. So the correct answer is A. Whose. Why? Because it is a relative pronoun, indicate the process of refers to Marie Curie. If we use her, it's not right because her cannot introduce a relative clause, and also that cannot show the possessive, and which is used to indicate possessive. So the correct answer is whose. Next is while data on marine biodiversity, researchers encountered several rare species. So the correct answer is A. Collecting. Why? Because the sentence is required to present participle. So to describe an action happening while another event occur. So jadi collecting ini digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan bentuk dari present participle. Next is number 4. When in patch, wolf display a high degree of social coordinating. See, it is same like number 3. The correct answer is hunting, because it is a participant describing an ongoing action. Kenapa nggak jawabannya A? Karena kenapa nggak jawabannya B? Karena B itu needs an explaining subject. Itu kita membutuhkan subjek. Kalau jawabannya itu bentuk dari B. Kalau jawabannya C itu implies a passive voice are not appropriate here. Dan if we answer D, it doesn't not fit to the sentence structure. So the correct answer is A, hunting. Next is number 5. The advent of digital communication tools mark in how business operates. So the correct answer is C. Why? Because it is the correct phrase to describe a significant change. Next is the sea turtles migrate vast distance, often adapting to change ocean currently. So the correct answer is B, migrating. Why? Because the migrating is explain the action commonly performed by sea turtle. Karena migrating ini menggambarkan action yang dilakukan oleh turtle itu. Okay, next is number 7. By paleontologists, fossilized remains offer a glimpse into ancient ecosystem. So the correct answer is, the correct answer is A. Why? Because it is the passive participle. So A, discovered, is describe the state of the fossilized remains. So dari discover ini mendeskripsikan fossilized remains. Next is number 8. Until blank 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 necessary approval were granted, the project remains on hold. So the correct answer is, C. Why? Because it was a pattern of past tense. The sentence required to complete clause to indicate when approved were granted. So jadi kalau misalkan jawabannya A atau D itu it not complete clauses. We need a thing that was required to complete the clause. So the correct answer is C. It was. Next is number 9. Blank 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 blank. Improve efficiency. Factories are incorporating automation technologies. So the correct answer is, the correct answer is 2. Why? Because it was a pattern of infinitive. So we need to use to connect to improve. Because to improve is used to show purpose. Why we not answering improving? Because it was a should. If we answer improving, it was suggest an ongoing action atau aksi yang sedang terjadi. It not a purpose, itu nggak sesuai sama struktur. If we answer for, it not used to show purpose in the context. If we answer D, it also do not fit in the sentence. Itu nggak sesuai di sentence. So next is number 10. Number 9, the correct answer is 2. Okay, next is number 10. Once blank 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 blank, the advanced software will streamline company operation. So the correct answer is A. Deploy. Why? Because it was a pattern of passive participant. So the word deploy describe the state of software after installing it. Jadi deploy ini mendeskripsikan software yang setelah diinstal. Next is number 11. If the proposal is rejected, blank 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 blank, require a revision of the strategy. So the correct answer is B. It, because it was a singular subject. It refused to the proposal. Karena it ini merupakan singular subject yang refers to the proposal. Next is number 12. Blank 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 blank. The implication of the finding analyzed recommended further investigation. So the correct answer is D. Having analyzed, because having analyzed is show an action completed before the recommendation. Next is number 13. Blank 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 blank. In remote cave, prehistoric artifact reveal much about early humans. So the correct answer is the correct answer is A, because the passive participant, it was a passive participant. Hidden describe the state of the artifact. Karena hidden ini mendeskripsikan state of the artifact. Okay, next number 14. Number 14 is engineer must follow strict guidelines before designing blank 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 public infrastructure. So the correct answer is D. Structure 4. Why? Because is appropriate for describing public infrastructure. Karena ini sesuai untuk mendeskripsikan public infrastructure. Okay, number 15. In this earth, animals have developed unique adaptation for survival. So the correct answer is D. Why? Because D is referred to specific animal. Next is number 16. Millionaires of spectators annually major sport even boost local economies. So the correct answer is A. Attracting. Why? Because it was a participle. Attracting describe the action of sport event. If we answer B, it is ungrammatical here. If we answer C, is not irrelevant. If we answer D, it does not fit the context. Jadi itu nggak sesuai di konteks. Okay, next number 17. Conversation project aim to include community engagement and education. So the correct answer is D. Strategy promotion. Why? Because strategy promotion is a correct phrase to describe the focus on the project. Jadi strategi promosi ini merupakan merupakan hal yang benar untuk mendeskripsikan fokus yang ada di project. Okay. Next, number 18. The Amazon River, one of the large river by volume, flows through South America. So the correct answer is A. Why? Because it was an article. The is required to before river name. Next is number 19. Without regularly update, difficult to keep up with evolving technology. So the correct answer is C. It becomes. Why? Because it become is indicate to result of not updating. Next is number 20. The news launch app gaining traction. User praise this innovative feature. So the correct answer is B. S. Why? S is used to show a close relationship.
I think that's all for me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.